Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening, and welcome to Electro Drive News. Tonight, we're shining a spotlight on an incredible Detroit-based company that's poised to benefit from the incoming tariffs imposed by the Trump administration. Say hello to Dunamis Charge, the world's only Black-owned, woman-led EV battery charging company. In 2012, Natalie King founded Dunamis Clean Energy Partners, LLC, initially manufacturing LED lights and energy efficiency solutions for commercial and industrial clients. But as she delved deeper into the industry, King faced a multitude of complications while doing business overseas, from quality control to supply chain management, logistics, and customs. It was clear that pivoting towards domestic production would be the best decision. Fast forward to 2020, when King founded Dunamis Charge, with a mission to create high-quality, Level 2 EV battery chargers that could fully recharge a car's battery overnight. What sets Dunamis Charge apart is their commitment to American-made components. Nearly 100% of the battery's parts are sourced from within a 30-mile radius of Auburn Hills. We spoke with plant manager Eric Williams, who explains how they manufacture each charger from scratch. So, we start out with what we call the PCB board, locally sourced right in Auburn Hills. Most of our suppliers are within a 30-mile radius. This local approach not only reduces logistical complications, but also supports American workers like Shelton Sneed and Leves Boudreau, who assemble and test each charger to ensure safety for homes and businesses. Dunamis Charge has received attention from top executives and politicians. Ford Executive Chairman Bill Ford, Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan, and former U.S. President Joe Biden have all taken notice of this innovative company. In fact, King was invited to the White House twice by the Biden administration, solidifying her reputation as a trailblazer in the EV charging industry. Now, with tariffs on foreign imports set to rise, Dunamis Charge is poised to benefit from increased domestic production and support for U.S.-based manufacturers. As CEO Natalie King believes, "I believe that the Trump administration supports the automotive industry. And I believe that we will be able to benefit from that support." Join us next time on Electro Drive News as we explore more stories of innovation and resilience in the EV charging landscape.